Hi, I'm Dr. Josh Axe, and I am so excited for you to check out my new book, Keto Diet. In this book, I go into how to get in your fat burning zone with keto and also how to do the keto diet the right way. Unfortunately, a lot of people aren't doing keto the right way. They're eating all butter and bacon, and they're missing out on nutrient-dense foods. My keto diet, I go through how to not only go keto, but also how to do it in a healing way to where you're going to experience better brain health, better digestion, balanced hormones, including hormones like insulin, more energy, and super fast weight loss in a healthy way. Also, my book, I have 80+ recipes, including keto pancakes, keto cookies, keto brownies, and has a personalized keto program that helps people go keto for things like we have a keto plan for cancer, a keto collagen boosting plan, keto for hormones, and a whole lot more. I can't wait for you to check out my new book, Keto Diet.